Hamza from Bosnia.
So Sheikh, I heard a statement which says that every hadith talking about the position of folding our hands in the standing position in the prayer is weak. But the hadith which says that we should place our hands on the chest has the least amount of weakness in the chain. And that is why it's more accepted than the hadith about placing the hands on stomach. So is this statement true, Sheikh?
The hadith was authenticated by Sheikh al-Albani. And we are not scholars of hadith. So we don't have the luxury of sitting and saying that this is weak and this is more authentic, because this is not our field. So those who say such things are not specialized in hadith sciences. And even if they were, they're not in the same level of Sheikh al-Albani, may Allah have mercy on his soul. And hence, talking about such topics is not worthwhile. Sheikh al-Albani, in his book, The Description of the Prayer of the Prophet ﷺ, described that hadith of Wa'il ibn Hajr, or Hujr, may Allah be pleased with him, the companion, said that the Prophet used to put his right hand over the left hand on the chest. Whether some scholars graded it as weak or not that authentic, or maybe Hasan, this is an issue of dispute. We follow Al-Imam al-Albani in such hadiths, and Allah knows best.